Hello guys, so this is part 2 now. I'm not sure how this turns on. I'm just wait, let me check the instructions. So connect to power and trust. Okay, so I have to move this a little bit since I need to find a place where I can charge this cable actually when it charges. I think we already have one. Okay guys, we got the red light on. Now we have to insert the filament. I don't know if it's working guys. Choose 58, 60. Showing that. Not sure what to do next. Okay. Oh my god, it's so hot right now. I have to do something quick. Okay, it's going. What is that? Stop. Oh my god. Okay guys. So what we did is we got this so far. I don't know what it sounds like that. It sounds kind of bizarre-ish. It sounds wiggly. And so this is what we did. Okay, I'm gonna do it again. Try again. See if I can make a better result. Hoping it can do something better about it. Oh. So it needs to make the charge. This is a very hard process. Okay, I'm gonna draw something. Guys, Guys, I think this is heating up. 160, 164, 168, 171, 174, 175, 176. Oh, quick. Oh, God. Okay, oh, God. Okay, how am I supposed to? Oh, shoot. It's 190, but... Oh, something's wrong here. Okay, I really want to make something, but... Okay, go. Yeah, so basically it's just stuck. I have to do it while it's in the charger. Okay. See you. Bye-bye.